Hey guys, we're here in Las Vegas, Nevada. I've got Randy here to tell us all about this super cool razor I see behind us for RT Pro.
So this is our XP 1000. It is race prep, but we use it for, of course, all of our retrofits and trying out new product and everything.
What kind of suspension travel does the thing have?
We have 20-inch travel on this.
That's it? Only 20 inches?
Only 20 inches. We, it's small, but we got a lot of travel in this thing.
Now, a stock razor comes with what kind of suspension travel?
So a stock razor is 18 and 20. So this one is 20/20. It is our long travel kit. We are partnered with Fox on this. They build an awesome shock setup for it, of course, and we use it for testing our spring kits out on it. So we know what is best for the person or persons in the car after they add weight to the cars and stuff. So, and then we go into our trailing arm setup. So, we have a lot stiffer trailing arms, a lot higher performance trailing arm setups compared to what a stock razor would be. And then we would go into our bumpers and safety equipment. So we add a cage on here, one of our DOM cages.
Now, don't the razors come with roll cages to begin, or safety cages to start with?
Exactly, it's a safety cage. It's not really made to roll over on top of. So of course we want to be safe with our customers and our friends and family involved in this stuff. So we go ahead and make it safe for everyone. So, and then of course put bumpers on them. So if we hit something, we're not going to destroy the car. A lot stronger bumper, and stuff like that. So.
Very good. So what kind of new products you guys have coming out?
So X3, we do have a lot of products coming out in the future. So we look forward to seeing those here pretty soon. And I'm sure some of our customers do, because I've been asked a ton of this year when products coming out for the X3.
So it seems like you guys have got a whole gamut of products for the razor. Do you only cater to the razor?
No, we don't. We cater to the whole UTV market, whether it's a Yamaha, a Polaris, a Can-Am. We try to cater to everybody.
You're completely agnostic.
Correct. Look for more, of course, look for more product in the future. You'll be seeing a lot more product out in the future for all those models.
Randy, thanks so much. I really appreciate the walk around. If they want to find more information about RT Pro, where do they go?
You want to go to our website at rtproutv.com or any of our dealers nationwide.
Just that simple. Stay tuned. We got more videos coming up.